enough of that. I will get demonetized, even if I was monetized in the first place. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like this video, and comment something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, here's a sunset. We're at the lake. Let's get onto the dock here. We are out here trying to catch fish. Come on, buds. Steep. Shameless trolling. That's what I do best. I swear, if I don't catch a fish today, I'm gonna have to have a talk. If I only catch one fish today, too, because that really sucks. I feel like they're gonna be all in the sun. That's my theory. Plus the wind's blowing this way, so the bug should be this way. Just my theory. But what do I know? I'm just an idiot. 8. Oh, I just got a hit. Just one though. Caught something. I don't think it's a fish, and if it is, it's a pretty big fish. What did I catch? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, I let go. It was a stickleback. Oh, great. First catch of the day. Yeah. Smash that like button. I'm good at fishing. Cheese and rice. Something I've been wanting to do in this boat. I haven't done it yet because my dog's been on it. Let's go do this. Worried about him jumping off, so. Yeah. Hell yeah. Got some wicked weeds. Oh. Another stickleback. This time I actually land this one. Look at that. What a beaut. Look at that thing. Go back, buddy. Good at catching those things. So easy to catch. Throw literally anything at them and they'll eat it. It's brilliant. Professional stickleback fisherman over here. Woo, it's been a day of shenanigans and not catching fish. Put them off to the next lake and let's hope we get onto a fish this time. Justin's also coming, picking him up. Or he's coming to meet me there and we're gonna go catch a fish. Mission impossible. Let's do this. You're a king.
I am a king.
Yeah, that's tough.
You will munch.
Let's get fishing.
She actually does rip pretty good. This one?
Perfect. That's what I had on earlier.
Oh yeah? Did you catch a tiger yesterday or the day before?
Yeah.
What'd you get it on?
That.
That?
Yeah. Literally, I had 5 casts in a row where I caught a tiger.
For sure.
Yeah, they were just jumping out of.
And you couldn't even get one today?
No.
Makes no sense.
No. Nobody, everyone was having that. Well, that guy that just pulled up, he was from. Yeah.
Is that why he was like, ah, you again?
Yeah, dude.
Really?
Yeah. You should cast for a bit so I can soak this.
Reversal to slow us down, or?
No.
No?
We'll fish, we'll drift.
Hey, you got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Nice, Justin. How's it feel?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice fish.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm hooked. Can you keep it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Here, Justin.
Oh.
Turn around. Nice,
Yeah.
Justin. Here, hold the net, I'll grab pliers.
Nice, it's probably what, 14?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Do you want to do an underwater release or no?
No, I don't trust my GoPro. Send him home.
Beauty rainbow. And it's gone. Love a little splash.
I can't catch a fish for the life of me.
The trick was to stop trolling.
See, it took my expert advice. I don't know what I did.
I almost put my finger up your butt. Oh god, I suck at this. There we go. Atta kid.
I think you should fly fish, bud. This guy. Justin, we're gonna have a talk. You come on my boat, you start catching all the fish. Hello.
Hi.
What?
She asked if I was social distancing.
Yeah, this is 6 feet apart.
Yeah. I feel like if we stick our arms out and can't touch, we're social distancing.
That one was right on shore.
You know what, Justin?
Do you want me to reverse us out a little bit, or?
We'll keep drifting.
Okay.
I'd like to fish this short
I
line.
knew the fish was on because I had a little bit of tension.
Yeah.
I think for like 3/4 of the fight, it was just going to. If they catch another fish, you're going to take this rod, aren't you?
No. No. I'm a good sport.
It is yours, so if you want it, you can have it.
GoPro's dead. Got a fish on here, finally. I worked all day for this fish. It better not come off. Staying down. Passing it. Ah! Ah! Can you leave the net up here for me? Will I cry myself to sleep?
I'm so sorry. Did it break?
No. Just jumped and spit it. Just keep trying. Here it is.
I'm so glad we stayed up for 5 more minutes. Let's catch some fish.
Almost back. I need to catch a damn fish. Oh my goodness. So Justin caught some fish in the rain. Yeah. It was a tough day for me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And see you guys tomorrow. I got a lure video coming for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon. Peace.